In this video, we will cover how to prepare your Vulcan VC4 or VC5 convection oven for initial use. We will demonstrate how to operate and care for the unit. All demonstrations in this video have been performed by trained professionals. In partnership with Hobart Service and authorized warranty service providers, Vulcan offers a new equipment checkout free of charge. The new equipment checkout ensures equipment has been properly installed and is operating correctly. To schedule, contact your sales representative. Before we begin, make sure the side of the unit where the oven controls are located is 2 inches from other cooking or heat-producing devices. This is to ensure the oven's mechanical components remain cool and away from the heat. Burn-off. Prior to the first use, the convection oven must undergo a burn-off procedure to remove any contaminants from heating the chamber. Follow these quick steps to complete the process. Wipe down the inside of the oven. Use a clean, damp cloth to wipe the inside of the oven and oven racks. Close the oven doors. Turn on the oven. Switch the master switch to on. Conduct burn-off procedure. Turn the thermostat to 300 degrees Fahrenheit and allow the oven to cycle for 90 minutes or until no smoke or odor is detected. After that period, turn the master switch to off. Gas valve. The gas valve on Vulcan convection ovens is a combination valve that is both a pressure regulator and gas valve. An additional external regulator connected directly to the oven is not needed. The oven's internal gas valve also serves as a pressure regulator provided the supply pressure to the appliance is at the normal 7 to 8 inches for natural gas and 11 to 12 inches for LP gases. This is factory preset and requires no adjustment. New installations may require a few ignition cycles to purge residual air from the gas line. If the oven goes into a reset condition, the red no ignition light will illuminate. Wait a few seconds and try to restart the oven. If after a few attempts the condition persists, contact your local authorized service agent. Now you are ready to use your Vulcan convection oven. For more information on operating and maintaining your equipment, refer to the operation manual on the Vulcan website.